So of course what we had to do with this most recent project of mine is do closed loop control of the temperature. So I've got a 4x20 LCD, I've got a Mega, I've got a Max 6675K thermocouple transmitter. We've got the thermocouple over there, and there's our product that we're heating over here in this air heater. And over here I've got a FET doing the PWM to the fan motor in the bottom of this. So there's always a code, isn't a pinned comment. We're just doing proportional control over here. So the set point over there is 100 degrees C, and it's controlling quite nicely. It's getting it to within about 5 degrees C, which for an application like this is perfect. We're simply wanting to get this to about 100 degrees C, as discussed in my previous video on the subject, so that this becomes a liquid and we can draw it into a dispenser, this being flux. And this worked very nicely. So got a Type K thermocouple over there the Max 6675, I think that's an IRF 520 over there, and then a Mega, and then I2C 4x20 LCD display. Very simple, and I'm just doing proportional control. It's working fine, it's just proportional response. There's no need for any integral in this case. We're not trying to achieve better than 1 degree C constant regulation in this application. So it's nice and simple, and it's a nice beginner project. So what it does do is it doesn't go below 20% on the fan. So we're actually going slow on the output to increase the temperature, and speeding it up when the temperature goes up to increase the airflow and bring the temperature down. So that's it, our time is up. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Take care, and also no further. I'll see you next time for more awesome stuff. Alrighty, bye.